Hey viewers, hope you are having a good day. If you are not a person whose mother tongue is English and you want to start learning English from the scratch, then congratulations, you are at the right place. I'm here to help you out with the international language, English. Don't you think it's essential to know English fluently to cope up with the growing world? Most interesting fact here is my viewers would not have any age limit, starting from the kids to the grandparents. Anyone can be my viewer. Grandparents. Why grandparents, right? See, there are many people who have the thirst to learn English, but couldn't do it due to some reasons. Today is the day to start anew. Buckle up to quench your thirst. It's the best for the beginners who are from the different countries of the world, whose mother tongue is not English and have a strong desire to learn, write and speak English without a halt. This is my introduction video. I will come up with my first lesson very soon. My first lesson would be about how to pronounce the English alphabets in American English. Ready? So till then, stay tuned. Tatas!